here's Life360 app, and you see here Active Bubble or in a bubble. So what does it mean actually? So it means this member of the circle enabled bubble feature in Life360, which is one of the most popular features. And you can tap on it. Bubble gives you more options for location sharing by showing your whereabouts instead of exact location. All safety features remain on. So basically, if you don't want other members of a circle to know your exact location, like street, like building number, like exact GPS coordinates, you can enable bubble feature, and then you will let people, like your friends, will know that you are in this city, and that's it. Like you can enable the bubble radius for like, I don't know, 20 kilometers or something, I don't know, and then that's it. They won't be able to know your exact location. You can always pop your bubble at any time. This will reveal your exact location and notify your entire circle.